Today we're going to talk about common terms you'll likely see in coating warranties and guarantees.
Great. So let's start with the big one, Jim. NDL. 3 letters thrown around in the industry. What does NDL mean and what does it stand for?
Oh, you're right. This term gets used a lot. Simply put, NDL means no dollar limit.
So you're telling me if anything goes wrong, everything is covered?
Well, not everything. No dollar limit simply means there is no cap on the cost to repair items that are specifically covered in the warranty or guarantee.
It's a lot of language.
It is.
As a customer, simply put, what would that mean to me?
To a customer, if they choose an NDL warranty or guarantee, it means it doesn't matter how much the covered repair turns out to be.
Okay, and does every manufacturer cover the same thing under that?
No. So it's important that the customer understand the warranty or guarantee type, the term, the coverage, and the exclusions offered by the manufacturer. It is just as important to understand what is not covered as to know what is covered.
So if I am an interested customer, perhaps an interested roof coating customer, what are the types of NDL options within GAF?
So depending on the roof coating product, there are likely 2 NDL options: an Emerald Pledge limited warranty and a Diamond Pledge guarantee.
And what's the difference between those two?
Well, they both provide robust coverage for manufacturing defects, but the Diamond Pledge guarantee covers workmanship.
Aha, another interesting term used often in the industry. What does workmanship mean?
So workmanship refers to the misapplication of the GAF product. In other words, if your contractor puts down the product incorrectly and that mistake causes a leak, it will be covered, even if there's nothing wrong with the product itself.
And similar to earlier, does every manufacturer cover the same thing?
Although the GAF definition is consistent with the way most manufacturers in the industry define workmanship, there may be important differences. So again, it's always important to read the warranty very carefully.
Right. So let's go to the other side of the spectrum and talk about items typically not covered. I believe exclusions would be the term for that, right?
Absolutely, yes. Exclusions are the things that are not covered.
And what are some common exclusions in the industry?
Leaks caused by a building owner's failure to properly maintain the roof is a good example. Damage to the roof caused by abuse or neglect is another good example. These are items that are commonly not covered in a warranty.
Good to know. Are there other items to be aware of? Anything that we haven't covered today or discussed today?
There's so much more, but this is a good start, and hopefully this helped explain some of the commonly misunderstood terms in coating warranties and guarantees.
I think it does. I think if nothing else, the takeaway from today's discussion is read the warranty or the guarantee, understand all the ins and outs and the fine print associated with it, and really ask questions if there's any uncertainty about what might be covered.
Good summary.
Thank you.